Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Sunday, and it's 10:30. I am going to treat myself to a bath. I've got my beautiful candle here. It's almost run out. It smells so good. Candles make me happy. I love it so much. That one came from Kmart. It smells delicious. I've got my cappuccino coffee. I'm going to treat myself to a bath. Charles has taken the boys out. They've gone to, I don't even know where they've gone, somewhere local, but they'll be gone for a couple of hours. And I have a blood donation that I'm going to do at midday. So I've got half an hour to treat myself to a nice bubble bath. What a perfect way to spend a Sunday morning. All right, we are ready to go. My bath was so good. No kids, no nothing. It was nice and peaceful. But this is my outfit, bit of a mum outfit going on. So it is very rainy and very cold. Gonna take a jacket. I can take it off. It's got short sleeves to make donating easier. But let's go. I've got some updates for you guys as well. Some little life updates happening. I will share all that with you later in this vlog. I've got my husband's car today, which is a bit annoying because it doesn't have navigation. So I'll need to use my phone, but as you can see, she's a rainy one, which is good. The lawns and the plants will love it. All right, let's go in my husband's car. We have arrived with plenty of time to spare. I've still got 10 minutes, so I'm busting for the toilet. But when you arrive, you need to fill out a questionnaire, so that can take a few minutes as well. So let's get in there. Done. They're so lovely there. I really, the guy that was doing the blood, he was actually like doing dances and he was just on another world. He was showing me his phone of a video clip of the White Walkers on set, and they were doing like a Michael Jackson song because a Michael Jackson song had come on. And that's how we got onto that topic. But that was hilarious. That was so funny. Got back to my car and look. There is a car parked, like, right there. I couldn't even get in the car. I had to go around the other side, put my bag on the seat, and then, like, suck myself right in to get in. They're parked that close, but that's a big car. So, all right, let's go home. I've decided to come down to the river. I didn't feel like going home yet, so here we are. I mean, at home, all that's waiting for me is a big pile of washing to put away. So I'm going to procrastinate on that for as long as possible. So let's go for a lovely walk along the river and the beach. We're going to go for a walk all the way along here and follow the headland all the way to the end. There's a house for sale right opposite that. How much do you reckon that's going for? Oh, the dream house right there, huh? One can only dream. I wonder if there's any whales out. There've been a lot of whale sightings recently. This is such a nice walk, except for all along here, the whole way, there is so much dog poo, and it's all I can smell is dog poo. It's not that hard to pick up your dog poo, people. I know it's a public place, but oh, it really ruins it. There's others, there's more. Honestly, it's all you can smell is dog poo. It's so gross. There's even some on the footpath. Delightful. Another house sold. Could you imagine living there? Opposite this. Oh, I'd never want to leave my home. Wow. Okay, we're walking back down now. And we're going to head all the way down there, over the bridge, and we're going to walk all the way along that side. It's actually raining now, but it doesn't look like it's gonna get too heavy, so, or it doesn't feel like it's gonna get too heavy. I may have just jinxed it. Let's see how far we get. I love to look at these houses. Oh, we can dream. And the poop continues. The amount of poop on that bridge. Oh my goodness. Insane. Do you think there'll be any lifeguards on duty today? People fishing. Let's keep walking. Some people out there surfing. Oh, these houses. They look so good. Love them. Imagine waking up to that view. I mean, seriously. Wow. Lucky ducks. Decided to come back over the bridge to the riverside. I was starting to get a bit light-headed and it was raining a bit harder, but it's slowed down again, but it is turning very black, so I'm near the car now anyway if I do feel unwell. But I didn't actually eat properly like I should have, so that's on me. But comment down below if you've ever given blood, thought about giving blood. I can't always give, you know, huge amounts of time or money, so this is something that I can do. It costs me nothing and it's only a couple of hours out of my day, so why not? I've booked in for next month to do my second plasma donation, and then January next year is when I'm able to give blood again, so I will be. But yes, if you can, if you're able to, you should definitely consider donating some blood or plasma. This is so beautiful. My feet is literally sinking into the sand. Look. Oh dear. All right, I think we're gonna head back now. Let's go. There's a big pile of washing waiting for me when I get home, and I've got to show you our new sofa. It arrives. I'm excited to show you guys. I've changed Tim's room around so we could fit a desk in there. So yeah, there are some changes to the home. So let's head home and I will show you them. It's now 3:15 and this is the washing pile I was telling you about. Ooh, I did make myself a snack. So I've got a mandarin, some apple and peanut butter. This, I've mentioned this before, is so good. Just dip it in the peanut butter. It's delicious. So good. Doesn't look very appetizing on the plate, but so good. I've also made myself a hot chocolate. I'm going to eat and drink, watch an episode of something, and then also put all this away. The sun is out. Look at this. Wouldn't have known it was raining earlier. Okay, I've just come outside. It's 20 to 5. Just hanging out Tim's clothes from his play date. Water in the garden. Might be having a cheeky little cider while I do some editing. Look at our sunflowers. They're so big. So big. Little meerkat in there. Blue skies. Love it. I'm having some issues with my lacy hard drive. It keeps disconnecting itself from my computer. I don't know if it's the cord or if it's a connection in there or if it's a connection in there. I don't know, but it's not good. It has me really worried. So yeah, see, it just took itself off. Oh, and then it'll put itself back on and then take itself back off. So yeah, I'm a little bit worried. I am thinking I might need to start filming on my phone, because yeah, at least then everything's stored, edited, it's all on my phone, whereas at the moment it's on my gimbal and on this. And if anything goes wrong, it's all gone. So I'm a bit nervous, but hopefully it's not too bad. But these are not cheap, and I've only got one, and that's my only backup. So not good. It is 10 to 6. It is dinner time. I've decided to come outside because footy's on the TV and I can't. I'm so sick of sports. It's been on all weekend. It drives me nuts. So just sitting here with my dinner. So just some pork steaks, some roasted veg and broccoli and corn. So I thought I'd quickly show you what we've done to Tim's room while he's not in here. It's not very tidy, but it is what it is. So I've put a lamp in here. We've moved his bed. It was in the middle and we moved it over so that he could fit his desk in. But yeah, that's now his room. So he just needs some new bedding, nice big rug, and he'll be set. So that's his room. I'm not going to show you the sofa. I'll show you that in another vlog because I've got kids eating and my husband's on the sofa. Let's go sit out the front. My favourite time of the day. It's so warm. So warm. My poor plants they're not doing very well, are they? Oh dear, I had such hope. They were so pretty. But yeah, this one's doing a bit better, but not much better. Anyway, I'm going to sit out here and watch some YouTube videos for a while William's in the bath, Elijah's finishing his dessert, Tim's had his shower, he's just chilling in the movie room. So I am going to say goodbye here. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, you know how it goes. And I will catch you all in the next one. Bye guys.